It's Valentine's Day morning, and I got a little surprise for my wife while she's in the shower. Ooh, piece of candy. Ooh, piece of candy. Drop a piece of candy.
Really? Say that the other time?
Ooh, piece of candy. Yeah, okay. I'm done.
I can't hold it. Okay, fine. I'll come back for the rest. Here's a... Aww. It's Valentine's Day. Chocolate for breakfast is warranted, right?
Yes, it is warranted. Chocolate and coffee is absolutely warranted.
Yay.
I think it says something like, "Dear Honeys, I like your butt."
Happy Valentine's Day. This
I
is
love
sweet.
you. Kissy shot, you can't see.